Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the CRL number SDKP1120RB. This is what they call their 112 series back-to-back shower door knobs with plastic sleeve in a oil-rubbed bronze finish. There you go. Now, why would you want such a knob? Well, these are a pair of them back-to-back. Why would you want them to be plastic coated? Well, you probably have bypassing glass doors, and it would be nice so that the glass didn't hit, of course, the solid brass knob. And that's why these are like that. Okay, still very nice and attractive. Take those apart to show you how they install. Obviously, it's pretty simple and straightforward. You wouldn't have any need to pull that plastic sleeve off, but nonetheless, there it is. You'll have a piece of threaded rod. That's certainly a metric thread. I don't know what it is. You know, something in the 1/4 inch sort of range. A couple of plastic washers, and that obviously is to keep the metal from making contact with the glass. What this is missing, though, is a bushing. I would think there ought to be a bushing with this. If it was me, I would at a very minimum wrap that in Teflon tape just to keep the steel bolt from making contact with the glass. And there you go. Okay, some basic dimensional properties. The knob itself, overall projection, about 1 1/4 inches. It's going to have a diameter of about 3/4 inch. This weighs 0.2 pound, by the way, and this is going to work for hole sizes of about 3/8, 7/16, no bigger than a 1/2 inch. This will work on a glass range from 1/4 to 1/2 inch. Okay, so what that's going to work on. Now let's switch to the screen view and let's take a closer look at some supporting information. If you are enjoying this video, please click thumbs up or like, and also please consider subscribing to our channel. Let's move on to the rest of the video. Here is the item that we are indeed looking at. Back-to-back knobs with the protective sleeve, 1/4 to 1/2 inch glass, made of solid brass. That would be typical for very good quality shower door hardware like that CRL makes. Oil rubbed. Forgive me, 1/4-20 is the thread type they're calling out. I would have guessed that wrong. So that's good in the sense that it's a easily replaceable piece of threaded rod. There's a link here to the cut sheet. Let's take a look at that. That's going to show us some different variations on knobs, is the bottom line. Our knob that we're looking at is not even listed here, in fact. Not unusual for CRL to have cut sheets that aren't complete necessarily, but that is posted there what we have available to us. There are some images here showing the actual item. Let's take a look. There's your unit. Plastic washers, everything disassembled. Just showing a closer view of the plastic sleeve, and then an end view, so to speak. Okay, now there is a link below this video here to the manufacturer's page. Before we do that, the CRL cylinder knob adds a simple elegance to frameless shower door enclosures. Sleek cylindrical shape is functional without detracting from the beauty of an all-glass door. The plastic sleeve model is available on sliding bypass shower doors, obviously to protect the knob surface, but also, of course, the glass edge as well. 3/4 inch and 1/4 projection. There is a single-sided version of this as well, which is the SDKP1120. It's the 212 if you want a single knob. Stocked in 11 finishes. Let's take a look at those finishes. We'll just copy that material. We have the ORB for oil rub bronze. We have antique brass, brushed bronze, brushed nickel, polished brass, brushed satin chrome, polished nickel, satin brass, satin chrome, and then white. Okay, let's wrap up this video on camera. If you are enjoying this video, please click thumbs up or like, and also please consider subscribing to our channel. Let's move on to the rest of the video. I ought to have mentioned that below this video is a link to the manufacturer's page, where you'll be able to pull up not only all of the C.R. Lawrence products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. The name C.R. Lawrence is quite synonymous with, many large categories of material, shower door hardware being one of them, but many other items. Door hardware, architectural metals. Blumcraft is a name when it comes to egress compliant push bars. They do aluminum storefront material, a variety of other items. There are a few dozen product catalogs that you can review, and they do a fairly good job at what they do. When it comes to their shower door hardware, I do encourage people to review C.R. Lawrence. Not only do they offer the most comprehensive product line, but in the most finishes. And they generally have it in stock. So there you go. Any questions on the C.R. Lawrence SDKP1120RB double shower doorknob or any other C.R. Lawrence product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you. Again, thank you for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, please click thumbs up, please subscribe, and maybe even send the video to someone that you know. Thank you.